This video will help you with Unit 10, Section 1 test, Forms. There are two parts to this section. The first will ask you to fully decline either qui, hic, ille, is, idem, or ipse. The second part will ask you to give specific case, number, and genders of the previous demonstratives, relatives, or intensives. So this first one, for this version, asks me to fully decline idem. And so that'd be idem, iadem, idem. Remember that idem is just like is, id, except you add dem to the end. And then it's eustem, eustem, eustem. Remember that ius is common for these DRIs. The dative is edem, edem, edem. Again, notice for the dative singular, it's going to be an I ending. The accusative, it's going to be undem. We would expect eumdem with an M, but since we added dem, we change all M's to N's when the word ends with it. So eindem. And for the neuter law, the nominative and the accusative will be the same. Idem. The ablative, eodem, 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 eadem, edem, eodem. Notice how it's following the usual first-second pattern after we get from the dative singular to the accusative singular. Notice here I changed my M to an N. Eistem, 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 eostem, eostem. Again, neuter law, make sure your neuters for your nominatives and your accusatives are exactly the same. It could save you some points. And also notice the dative plural and the ablative plural are usually identical. And it's one form for all 6 possible forms. Now we go to the next part. The next part, as you see, it will give you one of the DRIs, which is demonstrative, relative, or intensive, and ask you to give it in the specific case and number. So ille, genitive, plural, masculine. Qui, accusative, plural, masculine. Qui, dative, neuter, singular. Make sure you watch out for your singulars and plurals. This is a place where you could get confused. Oh. And if you something like idem, which is above there, you can look at the chart above to help you.